Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to install ESign on iOS 17 and iOS 18 devices using the latest method. No computer, no jailbreak, and best of all, no revokes or blacklists. By the end of this video, you'll be able to install IPA files smoothly on your iPhone or iPad without worrying about the apps getting revoked. Let's dive right in. First of all, open NextDNS website and then log in with your email. After login with your details, now hit on Deny List. Now add the following domains in the Deny List. I will put all the link in the description. After adding the domain in the Deny List, now hit on the Allow list and then add one domain there as well. After adding the Allow list, now simply hit on Setup. Then scroll down and hit on Configuration Profile link. Now hit on More Options and then select your device model. Now enable the Trust NextDNS Root CAN Bootstrap IPS. Then simply hit Download and then hit Allow to download the profile. Now simply open Settings, then hit on Downloaded Profile and hit Install to install the profile in your iOS device. Now we are done setting up the DNS. Now simply open Safari and then open this GitHub page. I will put the link in the description. Then scroll down and hit on Downloads. Now hit on All Downloads. Now hit on ESign, then it will show you different ESign app link. Hit one of the link, and then hit Open, and then hit Install to install ESign app in your iOS device. If one link don't work, then you can try other link to install ESign app in your iPhone. In my case, the Vietnam Post link let ESign app install in my iPhone. Once the ESign app is installed in your iOS device, now simply open Settings, then open General, then open VPN and Device Management. Then open Enterprise app and then hit Trust. Now if you are on iOS 18, then you need to restart the phone. But before restarting the phone, you must turn on airplane mode. Once airplane mode is on, now open Enterprise app and hit Trust and hit Allow and restart to let ESign app install in your iOS device. After restart, now you will see that your ESign will start working in your iOS device. Now open the same GitHub page again, and then hit on All Downloads, and now simply hit on Certificates, then hit on ESign Certificates, and then hit Download to download the ESign Certificates zip file. Once you have the certificate zip file, now simply open the ESign app, and then hit on three dots on top. then hit on Import, then select the downloaded ESign certificate zip file. Now hit on the imported ESign certificate zip file and hit on unzip. Then you will have a new ESign certificate folder with all the certificates in it. Now hit on the same name certificate in which you downloaded the ESign app and hit on Import Certificate Management. Once the certificate imported successfully, now simply download the IPA file you want to install and then simply hit on 3 dots on top. Then hit Import and then select your IPA file.
It's too late now, I remember everything and how careless we could be.
Once your IPA file is imported, now hit on the apps and then hit on your IPA file and then hit on signature and then hit signature again. Once it's signed 100%, now simply hit Install to install your IPA file in your iOS device. And that's it. You've now successfully installed ESign, an IPA file on your iOS 17 or iOS 18 device without a computer or jailbreak, and you've learned how to prevent revokes and blacklists. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more iOS tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy signing!